Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
हाँ, तो मैं डिप्लोमा आर्किटेक्ट हूँ, तो मैं इस साल नाटा एग्जाम देना चाहती हूँ, तो फर्दर ये पढ़ाई के लिए, तो इसलिए मैं इस साल तो बहुत पूरा सिलेबस ही नया है ना, इसलिए बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है। तो
अच्छा, ये बताओ आप, हाँ ये बताओ,
हम्म,
ये सिलेबस नया है, सब कुछ नया है, और आज आप पहली बार क्लास अटेंड कर रहे थे पार्ट ए का, कैसा लगा आपको?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा, मुझे बहुत यूजफुल लगा ये क्लास।
यूजफुल लग रहा है पार्ट ए की तैयारी हो जाएगी?
पूरा होगा या नहीं मालूम नहीं है, पर ट्राई तो जरूर करूंगी।
ट्राई जरूर करूंगी, तो मैं इंश्योर कराता हूँ पार्ट ए का भी नहीं, पार्ट बी की भी तैयारी हो जाएगी और आप एग्जाम में बहुत अच्छा करने वाले हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू।
और जब बहुत बढ़िया करोगे तो कोलकाता का मिठाई खिलाना सबको, सारे स्टूडेंट।
एकदम एकदम। ठीक
रसगुल्ला,
है।
राइट? So stay safe. Thank you so much. And make sure all of you go and write your comment on our YouTube and other platform from wherever you come from, right? वहाँ पे भी जाके
ओके
अपने फीलिंग को शेयर करो जो और लोगों तक पहुंचे, है ना?
ओके।
मैं लास्ट क्लास में बता रहा था, आई
Thank
बिलीव
you.
मोर इनटू दिस सर्कुलर एजुकेशन स्पाइरल। थोड़ा ये जो ड्राइंग आपको दिख रहा है मेरा, तो यहाँ से हमने जर्नी शुरू करी है, वी हैव टू रीच लाइक दिस स्प्रेड। ये लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए, है ना? लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए इसके बारे में। This is your social responsibility at the same time. Well, next move to next student. Rimjim.
Fatima.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, Fatima.
I'm from Kerala.
Great.
Okay, I'm doing my 12th currently. Me and Alfana are friends, so we started from 1 week earlier, I think so. Just because this exam has been postponed to 29th, so we don't know much about NATSA and all. So I'm hoping I can.
But Fatima, again the same question. I have during my college, I have many friends from Kerala, and still they are my very good friends. People are very creative from Kerala, especially. I don't know how, everybody. I can see some of your wall painting behind you, which you have done on wall, right? That's you have done it.
Sure.
Yeah? Well, so I want to know, after attending this first class, you just attended, we are from last one and a half hour, we are in session, we are about to end after this discussion. How do you feel now? How this session is for you?
I think I can do it well.
You can do it. You are getting that confident, right? And you guys are saying all this, giving me confidence. So one thing, if you want to become successful, you want to leave it, you have to accept that challenge, and you are doing it. Very nice. Good luck. Yeah, God bless you. Next student. Write Fatima name also in the list, Rimjim. She can write the exam next year also.
Yes. Rashmi, Hassan, everyone's video is off, so I don't know how to interact.
Well,
anyone who would like to, introduce themselves, please go ahead. If you would like to. Rashmi is trying to speak. Rashmi, unmute.
If your video is not working, you can just on audio. You can on audio. You can write in chat box also. It's fine.
Hello, sir. Hello,
okay.
Sir. Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Hi.
Thank you so much.
I'm fine. You're welcome, sir. Sir, I'm Rashmi. I'm from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
मथुरा से हो आप?
Yes, sir.
मैं कृष्णा हूँ.
Yeah, sir, I've seen.
Yes.
Sir, I passed 12th this year.
So you have given the 12th exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great.
And sir, I'm interested in architect, so that's why I was searching for any material or stuff for part A, but I was unable everywhere, in Google also there was not much stuff. So sir, I was very clueless at what to do, but now I think you are really very helpful. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. And we are also surprised. Within 10 days, we started on 28th. We are having 1200 plus registration till now. People are contacting us from everywhere. From India, from Dubai, Qatar, and so many places. So it's great. It's nice. Ananya Biswas, but actually my dad. It's okay if you're on from your dad account, somebody. वाह रश्मि, एनी पोएम कविता कुछ सुनाओगे आप? आपके नाम पे है रश्मि, पढ़ा आपने?
सर नहीं सर,
बता आपको, चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम सर्च करके आना. Cognitive, read all this, the exercise. That is the cognitive is the only idea about the cognitive you need to understand is the traditional way of the study. You have to leave it. You cannot find the answer in in a written method. We were doing it ना, जब भी हमने क्लास करा आपने देखा होगा, तो हम जो आंसर देख रहे थे, maybe sometimes there are 4 answers and all 4 are correct. That also is the way. Here then you have to have a choice. जैसे you have to eat on time, that is also the right. You have to sleep on time, that is also right. Right? As per our methodology, this time is not for study. 10 p.m. We should have to have a dinner by 7-8 max, and by the time we should plan for sleeping, but we are doing it. So you have a choice, so you have to see. Yeah, I can see so many messages from you guys, great. Thank you so much, Rashmi. It's nice connecting you. Whenever I see Mathura people dancing that that Radha Krishna performance, that's really amazing. And,
yes, actually I am from Bihar, but I shifted Mathura.
ओके. बिहार में कहाँ घर है आपका?
सर बिहार में पटना से ज्यादा दूर नहीं है, पास में है.
बताओ पटना से किधर?
सासाराम नाम सुना है आपने?
एकदम सुना है. मैं आई बोर्न इन पटना.
ओह, इट्स ग्रेट सर. तो सासाराम इज माय विलेज.
वेरी गुड, नाइस. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट. Thank you, Rashmi.
Hassan switched on the video. Hassan, interact. Hassan is shy. Now he's shy. He remembered. शायद गलती से उसने वीडियो ऑन कर दी. Hassan, unmute. तुमने चैट में भी लिखा है, कुछ तो बोलो.
चलो guys, your time will up now if you will not speak anymore. But anyway, it was nice. You all came. We all are happy. We all are having a good time. The biggest lesson of the life, what is? If you really want to make your life good, you have to make sure that you are happy, you are enjoying it. Everyone different state. Yes, we are India. Everyone different state. I'm so happy you all are happy with this. And I'm promising you, how you are got the idea and lesson for part A today, same you will get for part B tomorrow. Part B भी कल clear हो जाएगा. Amazing. आपको लगा रही है क्या हो गया मैथ? You will learn a method by our expert, though they are into teaching and guiding from last 20 years from Top B School. Top B School, yes. Top B School. If you have heard about XLRI, I am from there. They will come and guide you, and you will be surprised having such experience. All right. So it was great session with you all. Now moving forward to next part from my side. Your feedback part is done. How the classes are. पार्ट बी कल ले लेंगे. पार्ट ए आज हो गया. पार्ट बी ए का एक और पार्ट कल मैं लूंगा आप लोगों का. दैट पोर्शन आई विल कंप्लीट. डे आफ्टर यू विल हैव टेस्ट. दैट विल बी योर नाटा पैटर्न. वो वीडियो की इतनी जो जद्दोजहद करी थी मैंने, उसका रीजन ये टेस्ट आपको जूम पे देना है. द फर्स्ट टेस्ट वील कीप यू ऑन जूम. वील हैव टेस्ट ऑन ऐप आल्सो, जूम आल्सो, अदर मीडियम्स आल्सो. We need the complete everything as soon as possible, as we have very less time. Yeah, I know. If you want, I can give you last batch. I promise. Every day I can give you one test paper. Do you want to write? You can't write tomorrow the test. We have to ready for that. So we'll plan accordingly. Planning is very important. Like suppose if you are a soldier, or if you want to dream as a soldier, और आपको fight करना है, so what you will do it first? Cognitive situation. Tell me. Being a soldier, what you will do first? क्या करोगे? To start doing and fighting with somebody. What we should do? Tell me. Guess. Rashmi बताओ कुछ. Rafia. Rifana, sorry, and Fatima. I can see a couple of you on my screen. Smiley faces, very nice. Tell me what you will do as a soldier. First thing.
Please repeat the question.
Like suppose you are a soldier and I am a soldier, just suggest me. Suggestion is very easy to give somebody. So suggest me, I am a soldier. I have to go for a fight. Like suppose something is started on border and I am on Ladakh. Have you heard lot Ladakh these days on news? Some fight got started over there. Huh? So there you are. Yeah. So what I need to do? Morning I wake up and I heard, okay, a war start हो गया. क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
Apply tactics and knowledge.
Knowledge for what?
For the nation.
Planning.
Yeah? Planning. Very good. The right word you said, planning. Apart from that, planning, then what? What planning happened? Okay, quickly I'll finish. Don't feel blank. You all have answer. The whole secret of success is you have to speak. When till like when I was under 10 years, like I was not even 10 years that time, I think. So the story is, I was a small kid, very pampered kid, youngest in my family. For small things also I speak and ask and then I take permission and then I go normally. I had everything systematic. This time you have to wake up, this time is school, this time is the working hour, everything was fixed completely. And then suddenly, the one day I started speaking and I was so lucky also. What I did and they given me all freedom. So we'll discuss some other day. So you need to speak, you need to talk. You need to talk with yourself first. You have to decide, yes, I want to do this. If you want to do this, you are focused, you can achieve it. I told you the story of Warren Buffett. One day he went for, I promise you I'll tell you this story at the end of the session. He went for dinner once at none other than Steve Jobs' house. They were on dinner table and Steve dad asked the questions, how come both of you are so successful? And the answer was together, apparently both said focus. So if you stick with the problem, if you will focus on that, you will find the answer, you will find the solution. How you guys found Ignite India for NATA Institute, NATA coaching, same way. So so the become so focused, you are asking the answer key. Don't worry, this all you will get step by step. Now the focus is next tomorrow, what will happen? You will have one aptitude class, probably in 4, 5 or 6 p.m. as per the schedule. Ask your mentor today itself, message him or her, like, okay, I want my tomorrow class schedule. So you will get the link for tomorrow. One is aptitude session with Ananta Acharya. One is again, there are the design faculty and your design aptitude faculty, Mr. Vijayan, then Gaurav, then Ayan sir, they will also take later on your classes from IT, architecture or product graphic designer. All those team will take, but right now tomorrow you will have class with me, color. I want you to understand the color tomorrow. So that session, that will be in the evening again, post Anand sir class. I will take that class, okay? So attend the both session for tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, you write the test. We will have test discussion. Meanwhile, you can decide if you want to continue your classes. You can upgrade your course. You can upgrade your course into test series, into full-time course and other courses. You can contact for your mentor for that also. Okay, yeah, I want to upgrade my course. I want to go for paid course. That's completely fine. And one more promise is, we will not charge you much also, that you do not need to worry about. As per your condition, financial, maybe you have paid for some other coaching, whatever, nothing to worry about. You do not need to pay that much. We'll make sure that it will be in your budget. Well, that is clear for you. Now, one more thing, promise me, you will try to understand the syllabus, work on it. This is the last minute because 10:15 I will close the session is. You need to do one thing is, the test is day after, not tomorrow, day after. Reason I told you, because you need to do before that planning. Like how soldiers have to plan, they need to wear their, all clothes and all, they have to take gun and their bullets and other thing before going. You cannot just start it running and you will start fight. That is madness. So before writing the test, we have to prepare for that. We have to plan, because you said the entire syllabus changed and you need to plan for it. So tomorrow it is, day after is the test. then there's a discussion, and then you can upgrade your course. Well, moving forward, guys, I'm ending this session. Before that, I would like you to go and press the bell icon button on Ignite India, so that you will get a notification for other videos. Make sure videos notification when it's come, watch. Make sure these videos and the things which is here, share with your friends, so they will also aware about it, because our idea is to aware the society first. Let the people know about it. And if somebody is really needy, need help for the classes, can't afford and pay, that is also fine for us. But they are in need, we will help them. Let us know about them also. All right. And if you are the one, please contact your mentor. What is your problem and issue? Team will help you. That is the promise. We are dedicated towards it. Out of 1,000 NATA students, we are teaching 30% student in kind of in just rupees 2,000 or 2.5k, or maybe some of them we have given the 100% scholarship also. So if you are the one, you can contact us, and the team will let you know about all details the course is about. Thank you so much. Make sure to spread happiness, stay happy, and do good in your life. Over to Rimjim ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Make sure you message whoever sent you the link of the class right now. Message them instantly that you would want to continue or not. Message them you would want this classes more, and they will get back to you with the link. Veena ma'am, Mukesh sir, whoever you are in contact with, reach out to them as soon as possible. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Krishna sir. Thank you, the management team who is here behind this. And we'll see you again. So good night and sleep well. Okay, bye-bye and thank you. Bye.
Thank you for joining.
Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.